Hey everyone, this is MusicTechHelpGuy, and yes, Free Plugin Weekly is back. I'm sorry. I've been gone for so long and so busy. I haven't been posting much lately, but I'm back with another episode of Free Plugin Weekly, and I hope to keep it pretty consistent from here on out. Today I'm checking out the ADT plugin from Airwindows. It's a free automatic or artificial double tracking plugin. This is an effect that was originally created with tape. And essentially what it does is you can create a delayed signal, almost like a fixed flange effect. And sometimes this can cause some phase cancellation issues. And other times, if you time the delayed signal right with the dry signal, you can get a pretty cool thickening chorus type effect. So I find this really useful with vocals and for like lead guitars and things like that. So I'm going to try it out on some vocals here, just to give you an idea of what this sounds like. I'll bypass ADT, and then I'll show you what it sounds like with the ADT effect in there.
You took the best of me when you told me you're in love. You know it's magical when my tears are raining blood.
So that's dry. Here's with ADT kicked in.
You took the best of me when you told me you're in love. You know it's magical when my tears are raining blood.
So like all of Airwindows interfaces, it's pretty simple. There's a headroom knob, which essentially reduces the headroom, and as you pull this down, you'll find that it distorts or truncates the signal.
You took the best of me when you told me you're in love.
So that's an intentional effect if you want to use that. There's two delays. There's an A delay and a B delay. So you can adjust the actual level of these two delays here, and you can adjust the delay time of these two delays here.
You took the best of me when you told me you're in love.
So with all four of these sliders down, we're just hearing the dry signal. As you pull up the actual level of these delays and adjust the delay time of these, you'll start to hear them in blended with the dry signal. Now, at really short delay times, this is going to be more of like a comb filtering phase cancellation effect.
You took the best of me when you told me you're in love. You know it's magical when my tears are raining blood.
At higher settings, this is sort of like a slap delay effect that's playing along with the dry signal.
You took the best of me when you told me you're in love. You know it's magical when my tears are raining blood.
And at sort of some of these mid-range values, it becomes a bit of a thickening flange effect.
You took the best of me when you told me you're in love.
And then lastly, there's an output level slider because you're essentially layering these two other voices along with the original dry signal, and sometimes what that can do is it can clip the overall output signal. So what you can do is lower the output level a bit to make up for the fact that we're adding two additional delays with our dry signal.
You took the best of me when you told me you're in love.
You can try using it right on the track like I'm doing here, or you can try using it on an aux track and blending it in and mixing the wet and dry signals together. I would like to see a wet-dry slider here, which would be really nice, so we don't have to do that, but I'll take it as it is. It's a free plugin, and it's a really cool free plugin. So let's give this a listen with the music in.
You took the best of me when you told me you're in love. You know it's magical when my tears are raining blood. You told me everything that I wanted to hear. You stole the magic from my heart.
So there you go. That's the ADT plugin from Airwindows. You can check it out at airwindows.com, and I'll leave a link to it in the video description below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.